Hi, welcome. It's Caitlin from Shumatt, China. Our company specializes in commercial diesel parts. Today I will introduce you one of our company products, this injector. Let's take a look. Neutral white box label, one side each piece. Product code 04451105659. The logo label, the packaging details, etc. We support customized service. First layer avoid some damages. Second layer blue VCI anti-rust bag. High quality 3 times comparable test and good after sales service. 6 months warranty time. In this period, if you are not set with the quality, we can return and exchange it. Then let's check the details. Protection cover, QR code, product code, etc. The plug, triangle valve in the inside. Generally, oil goes from this position and come out from here. Injector nozzle. Each of the spare parts like the injector nozzle, control valve, solenoid valve. Generally, we use the Li, Shumatt, Green Power, etc. If you want hair quality, we can use original Bosch. So much for this one. And if you still have other questions, please send me by the comments. Caitlin will help you to check it. Also, you can download our trackbook app to find more information. So much for today. At last, remember follow us at the channel and feel free to contact us. Bye bye. Have a nice day. See you next time.